All right, welcome to another video, guys. It's been quite a while since I've made a video, so I figured I would take you guys along on this little job of mine today. Got asked from a guy, I don't know exactly what his position is with this building or this business, but there is a business in front of me. I just pulled up to the place and they have channel letters sign, and I need to remove the vinyl off of some of it because it's faded and it looks like garbage. So they just want me to remove the vinyl and then call it good. So it shouldn't take too long. I've never done something like this before. This is new for me. So I just thought I would just run over here and do it. Sunday afternoon, girls are gonna be having naps soon. So it's a great time. I got my orders ready to go for Monday that need to go out, which is a bunch of orders, and I got to make a bunch more. I'm back ordered like crazy right now, which is great. So thank you everyone that has been supporting TL Wrap Tools. I'm going to throw my Instagram up here right here. You guys want to go check that out, I appreciate that. And if you guys need any vinyl racks or some of the other tools I'm going to be releasing in the next week or two, let me know. And my website is linked down below. So I'm going to turn the camera around here and I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. So this is the sign. Even from here you can tell the edges are white, the rest is kind of a brownish color. Looks all gross. I'll show you guys a little more when I get up close. Got a bunch of tools here, didn't know what I would all need. So let's get over there. So I'm up here on the canopy, and this is the one that someone has taken off of. This is what we're dealing with. I'm not sure exactly what I'm actually dealing with here. I'm gonna take this one off to see what they did. Okay, get my screwdriver, and then we'll see what we gotta do to all the other ones here to fix the problem. These are interesting. I've never installed letters like this or a sign like this, so something new for me here. I'm not installing, I'm just dealing with fixing an issue. So I got the eye off, one that someone else had already taken off, and can't actually really take it off. I thought we could take it, this piece here off there, make it easier, but as I look closer, I don't know if you guys can see it, but I can tell that they just cut around and peeled the vinyl off. So I guess that's the route we're going. Cut around everything, get it behind there and get the vinyl off. So looks like it came off nice, no adhesive left behind, so I'm assuming the same thing will work for us. Let's try it. Also, to take note, it's pretty windy up here. Not that I'm super high, but the ladder I have is not quite ideal. It's probably about 4 feet lower than what I am here. I'll show you guys. The ladder is starting to walk away, so I did a little bit of something. So I've got my extension cord here just in case I need to use my heat gun or anything. And I just put it through there. Now it's hidden that far down there. So now it's not gonna walk away on me, hopefully, and if it starts falling, I can kind of catch it with that, hopefully. So let's get to it. Well, gotta say, it is going better than I expected. This wind is kind of really annoying here, but so it comes off good. I just have to score all the film all the way around these tonight, and then after that, heat it up and just pull off as I'm heating up. I can't really film that process right now because it's crazy windy out here. I can't really set the camera up. I'm by myself, so I'm sorry there's no filming of that actual process. Maybe I'm trying to do one of the easy ones, like the eye that I have left yet over there. But so I'll flip the camera around and show you guys what I have left. I've been here for I think about 2.5 hours now, and I've got 4 letters left, so it's not bad out of the 2 big words that we got here. So yeah, so I started here, made my way. Actually, this guy, yeah, So that's interesting. That's kind of a darker color. Got all those done. And now I have just these couple left. So pretty much, I'll do this right now. Pretty much what I'm doing. Okay. So just taking and riding my blade on the edge there. And then just scoring the film. Around the corner. Then taking the gun, heating up one corner, really good. Quite a bit of heat there. And just get my finger in there. It's kind of like a double layer of film with a really thin, clear layer underneath the actual vinyl. There you go, that one right there. So that layer all sets to come off. It's a little more difficult here now one-handed. I'm going to heat up this area. Show you guys. Yeah, just like that. Getting up. Yeah, so that's an easy lighter. Ones like this, more difficult. S's, so yeah, get the rest of this done. All right, well, got it done. Come around again and show you guys. Now that it's finished, I just want to get a truck and warm up. It's not that it's like in the minus here, but it's windy and it's cold. So got in a truck here and got the heat blasted. So I'm gonna show you guys and then gonna end this video. Also, probably by the time this video goes up, I will have hit 500 subscribers, which is a huge mark for me because I was trying really hard for a while. Now with my new business, I've been so crazy busy with that and with some other stuff, I haven't really been able to upload proper videos. And this is not also a proper video because I like to do cool B-roll videos and lots of like detailed shots of what I'm doing and stuff. But I do have some videos like that coming soon. This is just a quick job that I was asked to do. Thought I'd show you guys what I was doing. So hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did enjoy it and learned something, give it a thumbs up. And I'll show you guys this. See you guys in the next one. There we go. The red I did not touch. Just the bottom words there. There we go. It's all cleaned up. Ready to go.